I bought this strawberry planter and I am going to plant this varieties of strawberries here. The berry basket white, and then this one. This is this summer breeze cherry. Look at the flowers. I'll show you the other flower. This one, pink flowers, beautiful. This one is more of a yellowish flower. I'll show you the typical flower of like strawberries, like this. This is Chandler. These strawberries, the variety is like Chandler, and this is the flower. And this one too, like white. But this one has like pink blooms. Let's check if this is like as white as the other one or like more of a yellowish. Or maybe they're the same. So I'm going to plant this here. Like one here and then there. Let's check. How many did I get? I got 1, 2, 3 of this. I think this is also summer breeze. 4. And this one is the berry something. Berry, and 3 of this berry. 4 of the summer breeze and 3 of this berry basket white. I filled this up with soil, and now I use this one, the GNB Organic Harvest Supreme. This one. And now I'm going to plant the strawberries. There are 6 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, and then 1 here. That's why I got 7 of those strawberries. I want the top one to be the pink one, the one with beautiful flowers, like this one. Let's put this on top. That, and then I'll put more soil later. And then here, let's put another pink. Here's our strawberry pot. Look at the gorgeous blooms, pink blooms. And we have more strawberries on the whiskey barrel over there, and here too. Time to prune the tomatoes. They are getting bushy, a lot of leaves, and diseases usually start on the leaves, so I usually prune the lower part. Oh, look at this. There are tiny fruits growing. Look at those gorgeous purple tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to plant this winged beans, or I think in Tagalog this is sigarilyas, and then kabocha. This is from a store-bought kabocha, and I just tried the seeds. I'm going to plant the winged beans on this trellis. The seed packet came with this many seeds. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, maybe 24. seeds. I'm putting 3 on each like post. Then I'm going to water. 3 or 4. I added new soil already. I think we can put more to make sure that there's something that will like germinate. Then I just need to cover and then water. So these are the last 3. I need to cut this rose, this red rose, since it is blocking the walkway. But I'm going to put this on the vase. This one is still good. The rest, they are not. Maybe those 2. So I have 3. Here are the roses from the rose bush that I trimmed or I pruned. Today I'm going to harvest some of the spinach that are bolting. They are done for the season. I cannot wait to harvest the tomatoes. Tomatoes will be next. Okay. Harvest it entire thing. And here's my spinach harvest. I forgot I need some lemons too. So let's harvest some of the lemons that are ripe. I need lemons for the chicken soup and also for the drinks. For the lemon garlic ginger drink that I drink in the morning and before going to bed. Let's get another one. This lemon tree saves us a lot of money. Oh, the lemon trees. We have 2. Now I'm adding the chayote. I cut the chayote into this size. And then I'm going to cook this for another like 15 to 20 minutes until the chayote is soft. Spinach that we harvested from the backyard garden. And then some lemon slices like that. And here's our chicken soup with spinach and lemon from the backyard garden. This is the most fragrant rose here in the garden. This variety. This is stunning. And the red here, and then the we have pink on this side. Oh my gosh, there is a fig tree there, or a seedling. That's a donut peach. And then we have orange trumpet here. This is orange trumpet. And then we have this one here too. We have this other rose here, like more of a peach or like kind of like orange. But there is a fig there that I need to uproot. Where is it? I think it's that one. I don't want to have another fig tree here. One is more than enough. Oh, look, this is the rose that I'm looking for, the pink one. Look, but this is underneath this peach tree. Look at this. I love this. Very light pink. And there's another one here too. It doesn't get enough sunlight now because of this peach tree. There you go. Beautiful. Very beautiful. I'm underneath this like peach tree. Look at all this fruits. There's another rose there too. What I'm here for is this one. This fig, I think this is the one. This fig seedling. I need to put this, otherwise it's going to grow into a big tree.